channel. I am Lizzie and I have this month's Sketchbox here. This is an art subscription box that is based in the United States. I have a friend here, but I came prepared. Sketchbox does not have candy in it. This is Scarlet Box's candy that my kitty cat didn't eat or play with yet. So I have the candy and he's not interested. Sorry. It's toffee. I know, sweetie. Not interested. Anyway, that didn't work out. It's okay. Okay, he just slow. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's not. I should have got you a lollipop, sweetie. I'm not a big fan of the toffee either. Just gets stuck in my teeth. So anyway, we have Sketchbox here. Unfortunately, I have seen a couple of spoilers. Not big ones, just I kind of know what's inside. And it is gouache. This stuff has way too many vowels. Can never spell it. Yes, kitty. You need to get out of the way so like we can move on with this. My child is being quiet at the moment. This is Mixed Media Canson. Oops, let me point it at the camera. Mixed Media Canson. There is 15 sheets, 135 pounds. It is not white, which I like. It's slightly cream colored, like my walls, I guess. I didn't pick the wall color, by the way. That was my husband. We have a print here, and there's the artist. Let's see what we got here. We have 4 different kinds of gouache. Let's see. There we go. This is Holbein gouache. We have our sticker. We have this is acrylograph. It's probably a fine liner. It says 0.7 millimeters. And then a Sketchbox. It's a paintbrush. Why am I struggling with this here? It's a paintbrush. It's a round paintbrush. Ah, there we go. There we are. All right. And here is all the stuff that's in here. The prompt is autumn. Autumn. I like autumn. It's a good prompt. I am going to swatch this. Sorry. I'm going to swatch this out. My kitty has decided to join us. This pen is not a fine liner. It is actually, it says water-based acrylic ink. Perfect for fine lines and intricate details. As you can see, I think this needs to be pumped or something. Yes. So that is interesting. I don't think I've used one before. But yes, it's very pretty. Oh, okay. So that's probably what this is, the outlines. It's an acrylic ink pen.
I'm going to go ahead and speed up the rest of the swatching. I swatch out all 4 of the colors, do a couple of sampling, see what I can get by mixing them, and then I move on to the piece. I originally planned to create some kind of mountain village, and it wasn't cooperating. This paintbrush is a little difficult to get details on. And since what I originally wanted to do wasn't working, I decided to go with something that I draw way too often, which is cactus. I have Arizona desert and cactus. And so please enjoy the rest of this video. Like and subscribe and enjoy.
I have finished finally. I think for the time lapse, I'm gonna cut out some of it because there's a lot of the parts that, here's the thing. So gouache is halfway between watercolor and acrylics. And so you can water it down or you can keep it very thick. And if you water it down, it acts like watercolors. If you keep it thick, it acts like acrylics. So there are parts of this that I accidentally went over stuff I didn't want to, and then I had to put another layer down. So, yeah, but I'm happy with how it turned out. The prompt is autumn, and I decided to do autumn in Arizona. And we have a lovely sunset, lots of blooms and stuff, because this is how, and there's actually water. So if you didn't know, in late summer, early fall, we have monsoon season here, and it actually rains like quite often, at least once a week, if not a couple times a week. And so there's flow in water. It's rare in the desert, but it happens. And so this is my Phoenix in autumn in the beautiful desert. I have 0 complaints about gouache. This is great. I have many complaints about this, not because it's a bad brush, because it's very hard to get details on this, so I will use this brush again, but the details were just, it was difficult, because if I accidentally hit the wrong thing, then I would have to like start over from scratch in another section. I like the colors, I like the products. See, it works. I'm just ugh. This thing I don't like. And why I don't like it is because if it's not 100% dry, it just has difficulty. It just has difficulty. And it's also, as you can see, I think I clogged it. I think I clogged it. I just don't think it works well with the gouache. I will probably use this for something else, just not with the gouache. It does go over. It's just a pain in the butt. And like I said, I think I clogged it. This nib also does come out. Yeah. So that was great. This paper is great. It's held up surprisingly well considering it's mixed media. I am not fond of the paper size. I would like a bigger piece of paper, but all things considered, this worked out. I love drawing cactus. I draw it way too often, but it's one of my favorite things to draw and also take pictures of. I take, like, every time I see a cactus, I take a picture. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this and have a wonderful day. Thank you.